Hello people, welcome to Upptalk. Upptalk is an online community for live, interactive software training, creating confident individuals capable of using global business tools. This video will discuss Workday Time Tracking interview question and answers. Without any further delay, let us get started. Workday Time Tracking interview questions and answers. 1. What is Workday Time Tracking? Workday Time Tracking belongs to a particular device with a lack of HCM and also payroll. You minimize the labor prices, raise performance, ensure employee welfare, and deal with compliance risks confidently. With everything together, you gain one resource of information and combined actions aiding. 2. What are the features involved in Workday Time Tracking? Global opportunity time, mobile as well as web opportunity clock, time clock combination, time permissions, real-time estimation, configurable company processes, analytics and also reporting, a single device for time and also for the attendance. 3. What are the critical benefits involved in Workday Time Tracking? Engage the users with a consumer-driven, enterprise-grade function, simplify worldwide workforce control, reduce work expenses, minimize the observance threats, increase labor force performance, the lower complete payment of possession. 4. How do you reduce the cost of labor with the help of a complete system? This comprehensive end-to-end body perfectly processes HR functionalities, opportunities, and participation and pays out appropriately each time in payroll. 5. With the help of complete automation, how do you reduce the risk of compliance? Organizations can quickly reduce the conformity threats by automating staff control processes and eliminating hands-on analysis of pay regulations around prices, hours functioned, and overtime. 6. What are some of the time approvals in Workday Time Tracking? Flexible, supervisor permissions, mass approvals, work feed authorizations, exception management. 7. What are the combined applications involved in Workday Time Tracking? Combined with Workday Payroll, Workday Human Capital Management, Workday Non-Attendance Management, and the Day Project integrated with the Workday Cloud Connect for third-party payroll. 8. How do you improve the productivity of a consumer in Workday Time Tracking? Workday Time Tracking is an impressive time and attendance request available anytime, anywhere, online, and mobile. It supplies an appealing adventure that steers users from adopting all over the workforce, offering companies the capacity to streamline time entry and commendation processes. 9. How do you enter self-service time in Workday Time Tracking? Go into the amount of time operated by internet browser or cell phones. Time may be used to enter into versus projects utilizing an easy-to-access calendar perspective. 10. What is the use of time tracking? Measure working opportunity using a timer, start tracking the option when you begin dealing with one thing and stop when you end up, or even when you switch over to a various task. Include opportunity by hand, approximate, and get in all your opportunity entries by the conclusion of the day per week. 11. What are web and mobile time clocks in Workday Time Tracking? For employees, check-in and check-out opportunity clocks consist of automatic date and time seals and location-based detection for cell phones. Laborers may easily access their task background. 12. What are the main components of Workday Time Tracking? Time access, authorizations, reporting. 13. What is actionable reporting in time tracking? Workday Time Tracking brings end-wise knowledge into human resources, payroll, and time tracking methods. Real-time showing up into actual labor expenses and workable understanding with fixed analytics at the executive factor. 14. What is real-time calculation in Workday Time Tracking? A robust and enterprise-grade estimation motor delivers real-time controls and details on overtime, at once, and extra before the payroll operates. 15. What is time clock integration in time tracking? Workday delivers APIs that allow organizations to combine their bodily opportunity clocks with Workday Time Tracking, assists inbound combination to ingress clock in, outs. 16. What benefits the shifts end in Workday time tracking? Customers would possess written proof from their laborers if food or breaks were taken or waived. These documents may be made use of for audit and payment functions. 17. What is time anomaly detection? Areas time anomalies are a component of the moment assessment and approval process to determine unusual time values on machine learning analysis testimonials deviations in quantity, opportunity type, and in and out times. 18. What are the steps involved in time entry method? Entry for the domain safety rules for functional area file. Select the amount of time tracking practical area. Select a time entry technique. 19. What is simple plan labor costing in time tracking? Workday permits you to examine the work price effect on projects based upon differences in an employee's daily mentioned opportunity versus planned time. Use the Normalize Aspect Opportunity Block feature to allot entirely troubled prices across project opportunity obstructs in a time. The normalization aspect summation partitions the scheduled hours for an estimated day due to the total stated hours, featuring downtime. 20. What prerequisites are required for setting up the time clock event matching options? Prerequisites: create a time item layout. Safety and security: set up time tracking area name in the time tracking functional area. 21. What is the maximum time block duration, hours, in time clock event matching options? Get into the maximum variety of hours that period clock event could be separated by the workday to match them into an opportunity block. If you don't define an optimum or point out a maximum of absolutely no hours, Workday instantly fills a maximum of the day, and you cannot point out a maximum of more than a day. 22. What is prevent matching consecutive check-ins in time clock event matching options? If you wish to carry out, leave this possibility untreated transactions. By non-payment, Workday makes a time hunk coming from two successive check-in events, alleviating the second occasion as checkout and utilizing the information of the first check-in for the time hunk. 23. What are the prerequisites for setting up time entry calendars? Make an opportunity item template. Safety and security: set up time tracking area while tracking a good place. 24. What is a time tracking hub? The amount of time tracking hub operational location features a subset of current Workday time tracking, reports, assimilations, and tasks. Opportunity Tracking Hub is for consumers who use a third-party time group device and merely require a minimal collection of your time tracking components. If you use time tracking, setting up the Moment Tracking Hub applicable region is not required. 25. What are the benefits of Time Tracking Hub? Allows you to bring time blocks from a third-party opportunity compilation body into Workday. At that moment in Workday, you can easily use your time tracking coverage abilities to gain insight into the time information. It doesn't feature the ability to go into an opportunity or even manage opportunity estimates. It includes other Workday products, including Workday Payroll and Workday Financial Organization. 26. What security domains are used to set up Time Tracking Hub? Process, import time blocks, refine, mass submit time, specify up, time tracking, reports, time tracking, employee information, time tracking, employee data, time tracking maximum volume. 27. How do you display the total based on the calculated date? Optional, causes overalls to regard worked out, rather than disclosed dates, and non-midnight time busters. Workday automatically chooses this examination container when you add calculation tags to the included calculation tags field. You may also select it if you don't select a particular calculation tag. 28. What is the project role in time entry in setting up project time entry? Calls workers to select a project job when they get the opportunity using these time access approaches. Autofill coming from prior week. Calendar-based time access. Get in time through type. Quick add. 29. How do you display tasks and phases in the time block? Show task period and activity info on an opportunity block for active ventures. Day utilizes the beginning and end dates for the duty information and information plan product line to drive the source. Blueprint line is on call for opportunity entry. 30. How do you set up default plans and extra filter prompts? Select Display Project Customer and Display Project Owner to incorporate Project Customer and Project Owner filters to the Set Non-Payment Projects duty. Extra filters make it simpler for the employees to select applicable projects promptly. These possibilities are available. Make it possible. Enter time by type on the Calendar tab to help make